Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss field and subfield of human geography. This chart gives us a clear idea about the field and subfield of human geography. But in this video, the chart is discussed for your better understanding. So I hope the video will help you. Fields and subfields of human geography. Human geography attempts to explain the relationship between all elements of human life and the space they occur over. Thus, human geography assumes a highly interdisciplinary nature. It develops close interface with other sister disciplines in social science in order to understand and explain human element on the surface of the earth. Human geography consists of a number of subdisciplinary fields that focus on different elements of human activity and organization. Fields and subfields. Human geography consists of a number of subdisciplinary fields that focus on different elements of human activity and organization. Human geography consists six major fields. The fields are population geography, economic geography, social geography, urban geography and settlement geography. These are the six major fields of human geography. Firstly, we discuss population geography. So, what is population geography? Which content discussed in population geography? Population geography is the study of the ways in which spatial variation in the distribution, composition, migration and growth of people are related to their nature and place. In one word, population geography study with a demography or study of demography. Next, economic geography. Economic geography refers to the field of study focused on the location of economic activity at the local, national and world scale. Location of economic activity mainly discussed by economic geography. The subfields of economic geography. Number 1, resource geography. Which content or which topic are discussed in resource geography? The study of resource, their distribution, production, utilization and conservation. Next, agricultural geography. The study of spatial variation in agricultural activity. The study of spatial variation in agricultural activity. Next, industrial geography. Industrial geography is the study of spatial arrangement of industrial activity. Spatial arrangement of industrial activity. Next, transport geography. The study of the role of transport in geography, including pattern and modes of transport, move of goods, people and relationship between transport and other geographic factors. So we see that economic geography has 4 subfields. Number 1, agricultural geography. 2, resource geography. Number 3, industrial geography. Number 4, transport geography. Next, political geography. It is the study of political phenomena in their areal or spatial context. It is the study of political phenomena in their areal or spatial context. Political geography include electoral geography and military geography. This is the subfield of political geography. These are the subfield of political geography, electoral geography and military geography. And political geography interface with sister discipline of other social science like political geography, psychology, and military science. Interface with sister discipline means match of discipline or similarities of discipline with other social science. Next, social geography. Social geography is the study of social phenomena in space. Social geography was developed in Germany. Social geography interface with social science and sociology. So we discuss the interface or similarity of discipline. Social geography consists number of 7 subfields. First one, behavioral geography. Behavioral geography interface sister discipline of psychology. Geography of social well-being is related to welfare economics. Geography of leisure interface with sociology. Cultural geography interface with anthropology. Gender geography, sociology, anthropology, women studies. Historical geography related with history. Medical geography related with epidemiology. This is the subfield of social geography and their relation to the other social science or similarities to the other social science. Next field, urban geography. It is the geographical study of urban area, their spatial patterns and function, origin and hierarchies. Urban geography closely interfaces with the sister discipline of urban planning and urban studies. Number 6, settlement geography. It describes the pattern, shape, size of settlement. It's related to urban and rural planning. The chart is really helpful for understanding fields and subfields of human geography and interface with sister discipline of social science. In this video, the chart is discussed for your better understanding. If you like the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel to get new videos.